this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this gift card holder card using the Regency Park Suite. Here is my gift card holder card using the Regency Park Suite. Just wanted to show you some of the things from the suite. The first is the Petal Park bundle with stamps and punch. And then the one that I used for this card is the Sentimental Park bundle with images and dies that cut those out, plus a whole bunch of other dies and some sentiments. We also have the textured shimmer paper, really pretty in balmy blue, white, and shaded spruce, and the Regency Park Designer Series paper with a bunch of fun flowers on one side and designs on the other side. And I just wanted to show you real quickly that you can use the punch to punch out some of the flowers and leaves. So you just cut them out and then line up the flowers, and then you can punch those out. So really, really fun coordination between the punch and the paper. You might be able to do it with the dies as well. I haven't tried that out yet, but I should try that out. But for this card, I started with a piece of Petal Pink, and it is 11 by 4 1/4, and it is scored at 2 3/4 and 5 1/2, so that you get half and a half. So that actually it's going to go this way because we're going to fold the card in. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to shave off just a tiny piece of this end so that we have a little bit more room when we're folding this over for the crease right there. The second thing I'm going to do is I am going to punch. So we have our 1 3/4 and 2 inch punches back, which I'm very, very happy about. So I'm going to place this in about the center and about 2/3 of the way in and punch that out. And then I'll do the second one when I add the layers. So here are all the layers. I have 4 by 5 1/4, and this is 3 7/8 by 5 1/8. And this is going to be layered flat on the back. We're doing Petal Pink and Crumb Cake color combination. And this will be layered, I guess, on the inside or the back. The next layers are going to be 2 1/2 by 4. And so these are 2 3/8 by 3 7/8. And they're both the same. And one will go on the outside and one will go on the inside. And I'm going to use the 2 inch punch for the outside of this. So I'm going to center this again. I'm going to go a little bit beyond 2/3. But actually what I should have done is I should have measured. Last time I measured. What would be better is if you would use this and measure, because I was a little bit too far in. But I'm gonna go ahead and adhere this down. Okay, to seal this side up, I'm gonna use thin red liner tape, and I'm gonna put it on the very, very edge so that the gift card will hopefully fit between. This one's a little too long, so I can trim that. And so just fold that in, and then you've got a little pocket for your gift card. Super cute. And on this outside one, I'm gonna stamp "Let's Celebrate" in the corner. So now I'm just going to layer this on the crumb cake and add some dimensionals to place it on top. Stamp a couple flowers and then stamp off. I'm gonna cut them out and add dimensionals to each one. And then I'm going to start laying them out on the front of the card. So 3 flowers and 4 leaves. And here's my finished gift card holder card.